Friends, ladies and gentlemen, good day everyone. Welcome once again to our daily doctrinal Bible study of the Balbido Evangelistic Ministry. Today we are going to study eschatology. Now, what is eschatology? Eschatology is a branch of theology concerned with the final events in the history of the world or of humankind. What is the Great Tribulation and where do you expect to be when it occurs? The answer is, the Great Tribulation, the last 3.5 years of the tribulation period, Matthew 24:21, Revelation 7:14, is the period of unprecedented worldwide violence as Satan's machinations unravel and he desperately struggles to retain his rule over the world. At this time, of course, Satan is cast down to earth as God will eject this arrogant, scheming, belligerent Satan from the courtroom of heaven, where he has enjoyed free access as defense counsel throughout the appeal trial of the angelic conflict. Revelation 12:7-9, cross-reference Job 1-6, Job 1:1, and Zechariah 3:1. When this occurs, believers like me, like you and me, expect to be already present with the Lord, since we had been removed from the earth in the rapture.